In 2025, if you want to make money online, you will have to sell something. Sell your service, sell a product, sell some online courses, or sell your skills. Like as a software developer, you will sell your coding skill. As a doctor, you will sell your consultancy skill. And as a legal expert, you will sell your legal skills. You will see that a lot of people are making millions of money by being a regular professional. But how they're doing this? That's a major question. Because they follow the one simple rule, that is the content distribution. They have the content distribution pipeline in all of the social media platforms, like in Twitter, LinkedIn, Meta, and all other social media platforms, even in TikTok. Now, my advice is for everyone who is preparing for jobs in 2025, 26, 27, 28, even in 2030, he will need to focus on his discoverability factor. Someone will have to discover you easily to get your service or to hire you or to get something from you. So how do you do this? You will have to be consistent while making the contents. You will have to learn the crafting of the contents. You will have to learn how to find out their pain points, and you will have to learn how to speak for them so that they can relate with you. Thank you everyone for watching the video.